Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Speed Freak Show, the place where we talk about the hottest rides in town. And today, folks, hold on to your seats, because we're diving into the world of automotive velour with the sexiest sedan ever made, the next generation 2025 Honda Civic. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me just say that if James Bond drove a sedan, it would undoubtedly be this beauty. The 2025 Honda Civic has got us all shaken, and trust me, it's not just because of its killer looks. Let's rev up this joyride and explore what makes it the talk of the town. Now, I know what you're thinking, yes, sexy and how's sedan in the same sentence. Well, buckle up, my friends, because this ride is not just eye candy. It's a beast on the road too. With its turbocharged engine, the 2025 Civic delivers a performance that'll make you question if you accidentally stepped into a race car. From 0 to 60 in the blink of an eye, and the handling. It's like the Civic has a built-in GPS that reads your mind. Sharp turns, smooth acceleration, this sedan's got it all. It's not just a car, it's a driving experience that'll leave you breathless. Now, let's talk about the design because, let's face it, the 2025 Civic is turning heads for a reason. Honda has managed to blend elegance with a touch of futuristic flair. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And the tech inside, it's like they hired Tony Stark as their consultant. If your grandma's car is stuck in 2005, the 2025 Civic has time traveled to the future and brought back all the cool gadgets. The touchscreen infotainment system, the voice-activated controls. It's like having a personal assistant that doesn't judge your taste in music. So, there you have it. The 2025 Honda Civic, the sexiest sedan ever made. From its jaw-dropping performance to its futuristic design and tech, it's a showstopper in every way. Honda has truly outdone themselves with this one. With that said, thanks for tuning in to the Speed Freak Show. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive adventures, and comment below with your thoughts on the 2025 Civic. And until next time, keep those engines revving and stay classy, car enthusiasts. Oh, and Honda, if you're watching, can we get a test drive, pretty please? Our viewers deserve to experience this seductive sensation on wheels. Catch you in the next video.